What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 bringing you another video. Today's video is basically a combination video. Today is April 30th, 2018, and April 29th was actually the 1-year anniversary for me owning my Charger Scat Pack that I purchased from Steve White Motors in Hickory, North Carolina. The other part of the video pretty much is my trip to Growls Garage and RT Life's Dyno Meet in Long Island, New York. And as you can see, I got the merch right here. And shouts out to Growls Garage for hooking me up with the merch. A year of ownership of the Scat Pack. I don't regret it. I don't regret it at all. The car is good. It gets a lot of looks, and like I've said hundreds of times that I ordered a Challenger. I wanted a Challenger Scat Pack, and a black Challenger Scat Pack, and I ended up with a Destroyer Gray Scat Pack Charger, or Charger Scat Pack, however you want to say it. So far, you probably already know this, the mods that I have is the mid muffler delete, the Billet Technologies oil catch can, door seal, custom door seals from Blacktop Graphics, Nate from Rebadge Designs on Instagram. He hooked me up with the custom badges for the rear and on the interior. And also Lux Auto Concepts hooked me up with the tail light tint, and even the Scat Pack vinyl that goes across the rear brake light. Other than that, that's pretty much all I've done, except for the little, other little decals I have on the back window. But that's not really a mod. But I'm just trying to tread softly on with my warranty, so I'm not trying to do too much. I want to put wheels on the car. I'm just trying to, figure out the right time to actually get them. So wheels are coming soon. How soon, I don't know. So with that out the way, let's talk about this trip to New York. First off, with this trip to New York, I lost my damn mind. I linked up with Johnny Pro, and from there, we mobbed up to New York City, and the trip was good. I had a good time driving. It was a good drive until I hit the Bronx. As soon as I saw the exit for Yankee Stadium, it was on, and I pretty much lost my sanity. I lost my damn mind while I was there. First thing about driving through the Bronx or New York City, I was unclear if New York had been attacked again by Al-Qaeda, because of the craters on the damn highway. It looked like the entire, every street in New York had been attacked with mortar fire from Al-Qaeda. There were craters everywhere. Craters that you couldn't even, I'm swerving. Okay, first off, cars are on my ass, cars are to the left and right of me, cars in front of me, and I'm still trying to swerve. When I was able to swerve, I hit another damn crater, and the crater was probably bigger. Then it got to a point where there were no more lines in the road. It was just rugged pavement, and you just kind of figure out your way to figure out what lane you're in, and it was chaos. I went through a lot of emotions after that entire trip. Like, the climax of the trip was basically me losing my damn mind by the time I got to the city. I'll give you some examples. Hold up. That lane is ending, but you're gonna go around me just to cut me off? Then you don't even use a turn signal? What are you doing? I think I'm gonna murder somebody. I think I'm truly going to murder somebody. So yeah, those are pretty much that's pretty much a summary of what I went through for, like, when I hit the city, it probably took me about I'll say 2.5, 3 hours from that point to get to my hotel in Long Island. And it was crazy because it said like 35 miles, but it took 3 hours and 30 minutes to get there. Insane. And I think I spent almost $48 in toll fees. MDG Collections, RT Life, FP 2000. Salute, because I couldn't do it, bro. I'm used to a city, but not a real city like that. That was a real city. I'm not built for that. I'm a country boy, but I can handle the city. I lived in cities in North Carolina, you know what I mean? And way bigger than where I'm from. And I can handle that because it's more room, it's spaced out. Yeah, it's still crazy drivers, but it's almost like they have a little bit more respect because the drivers in New York, a lot of them, they don't even have a soul. There's no way they have a soul. How did I get deboed out of a lane by Honda Civics, Kia Rios, freaking Ford Escapes were beasting? I mean, like, I gave them no room at all. Somehow they squeezed in. No turn signal. I'm from the country, so if you cut somebody off, you'll throw your hand up this way so they can see it, or roll your window down, stick your hand up like, all right, hey, fuck you, hey, thank you. You know, something like that, but it was none of that. But it's cool, though. It's cool. Now, let's talk about the actual meat. All right, first off, I would like to say a big shout out to Growls Garage, RT Life, MDG Collection, FP 2000, even though he wasn't able to show up. Mopar Mike, Mango 392, Shane. I had a great time. That's all I can really say. I had a really good time, man. It was a long drive, and as I explained, I lost my mind right there at the end of the drive. But I had a really good time, man. Like, I was hanging out with you guys. When I met up with these guys for the first time ever, we were hanging out and talking as if we actually had met each other, like we've been knowing each other for years, which was crazy. I wish I could have stayed longer, but I couldn't. You know what I'm saying? I had to you know, come back to reality, come back to the real world. But yeah, the meet was great. Met a bunch of people that subscribe to my channel, that watch my videos, you know, and it was weird. I'm going there to meet the people that I watch, you know, finally. But at the same time, people were approaching me like, I was like, hey, I'm Shaka. They were like, oh yeah, I already know who you are. Yeah, you Shaka on the beats. You Shaka. That everybody greeted me like, you're Shaka on the beats. You'll catch the footage of me and Johnny Pro on the interstate with Built RT. We met up with Built RT. And he, you know, he mobbed out with us on the interstate for about an hour and a half maybe, and we were tearing it up. So you'll see this right after this clip. But guys, look, enjoy the video. I had a great time. I'll go ahead and throw this out there now. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. You can dislike, tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what you want to see. I'll rather see what improvements I need to make versus tell me what I did wrong. You enjoy the content that I put out. So now I'll shut up so you can check out the video. All right, peace.